am frequently asked, what is the most common size tracing board we sell? It's this board right here. It has an active area of 44 by 60 inches. I've drawn that in blue in a big X so you can see the size of it. Note that there is an edge around the outside, so the board itself is bigger than that. That is what you can actually draw on. And the next size smaller that I sell has an active area of 36 by 48 inches. I've drawn that in orange. Now the difference in price between the smaller board and the bigger board is only $200. One of the reasons why we sell so many of the 44 by 60s. The smallest board I sell is 12 by 18 inches. There's its relative size right there. We also have the jumbos. We can connect between 2 and 8 44 by 60 inch boards for tracing large patterns. I can put that in one row or two boards. I've digitized this pattern right there to help you see the relative sizes. I have all of the sizes on our website at logicgroup.com. I also have the prices in different countries and currencies.